Rebound 15. Substitution. 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 Warning blue for delaying the game. Ten seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points.
Apat.
Rebound 17. Foul number 34. One for penalty.
Quality.
Foul number 20. 23.
Warning.
Fourth personal foul. Warning for fouled out. Fourth personal foul. Warning for fouled out. Number 23. Yeah, 23. Still 6. Last 2 minutes. Three, number 6. Out of bounds.
1 point. Amoy overtime ah.
Ten second shot clock.
6, 7, 6, 5,
5 second shot clock.
3, 2.
23 bounds, 17.
Rebound.
23 the point.
Ichi.
Rebound na yun, Norio.
Defensive rebound.
10 second shot clock.
Uy, steal.
Still 17.
Wala.
Rebound 7. Foul number 25.
5. Second.
Second foul.
Uy.
Kick ball. Out of bounds.
Timeout.
Timeout, right.
Right. Two remaining timeout. 3 remaining time.
Wala na, isa na lang yan. Isa na lang to.
Saan?
Pagka andyan na last 2 minutes, tatlong timeout na kanina, di ba?
Oo.
Walang timeout ka, gusto na lang yan.
Isa, dalawa.
Mabukasan na yung sa yun.
Isa, dalawa. Pero mukhang hindi matatanong.
Tatlo pa, timeout!
Back to the ball game.
Dalawa na lang yan, dalawa pala.
Under ng 2 minutes.
Bawas na yan, laging tatandaan yun.
Dapat gamitin yung mic. Kill time na yan, no? Kahit mo 24 seconds, 17 seconds. 90% na yung panalo ng
Ako makuha nito, makuha pa.
Kung matres, no? Ayun, no? Pakay.
Steal, number 6.
Uy! Nice foul.
Foul, number 25.
beautiful. Hindi na pinaka-counted. Yun ang mga discard.
Discarte, no?
Kasi kung...
Third foul.
Third personal foul, 25.
Oo, kung yung ano lang, pinaabot niya, pinaforma niya, counted fall, delikado.
Dikit laban, eh.
Thirty-two seconds. Still 29. Rebound 32.
One more.
Defensive rebound 32. 2 points. Ten seconds. Still 32. 5 seconds.
Pumasok, eh.
Nice.
Ang laban, boy.